Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope that everybody fine. Today we're gonna make a simple and delicious chicken tagine with caramelized onions. Without further ado, let's get started. First, peel the onion and slice them into thin slices like this. We need 2 large onions. We place half of the onion rings in the bottom of the tagine. Put the pieces chicken on top. Then cover with the rest of the onion. Now time to add spices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Some cilantro, drizzle some olive oil, almost half a cup. Scatter the drained raisins. Cover the tagine and let it cook in medium-low heat. From time to time, pour some of the sauce on top. If necessary, add some water. Cover the tagine and let it cook about 1 hour. I need to add some of water, half a cup almost. After around 1 hour, when the sauce thickens and the chicken is almost cooked, add 2 tablespoons of honey, gently mix the honey within the sauce. Cover and continue cooking for another 15 minutes. Tagine is ready. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Don't hesitate to try it. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching and see you next time.